This is the Dango D01 Dapper wallet. It is a landscape model of the Dapper product line. This is really nice. Take a look. Let's now open up the Dango D01 Dapper bifold wallet. All right, with Dango products, as you know, they always come in a very nice metal case. This is no exception. So let's open this up here. Got a nice card. It takes you through usage, how to load it. It's a nice touch. Oh yeah, here we go. Again, it comes with a nice little tether if you'd like that. Great presentation as always. And this is the Dango D0 Dapper. This is the moss green with a gray silicone strap. And this is really nice. I like this. Let's take a look at it quickly. This is the back. Got the strap here, card slot. Loop here. What's neat is you've got these mil-spec screws in here. And there's the wallet itself with its cavity, so excellent. Now let's get into the feature review of the Dango D0 Dapper bifold wallet. As you can see on the front, we have a card slot right here immediately, which provides access to 1, 2, or more cards depending on when the leather breaks in. If we look at it on the flip side, we notice that there is also another slot here for cards, as well as the silicone strap that comes around this side. So this provides another option for cards or cash on this side. If we take it around and open it up, we notice that we have immediately here another card slot right here. So you can get 2, 3, or more here, and the typical Dango offering of the card capture cavity area in here, and we'll show you how that loads, which comes underneath here. And then of course the silicone strap comes over the top. This provides more access for cards or cash. Now we also have a loop. This loop here is one loop versus the M series, which has 4 loops, one on each side. This has one, perfect for a lanyard or a tether and so forth. And that is the review of the features of the Dango D01 Dapper wallet. Now let's move to the card and cash insertion test. As you saw, it handled 12 cards with the 6 in the capture area just fine. Now, again, the cavity is locked in by the slider, so the ability to handle 2 cards more in the front and the back really depends on the leather breakout, but really that's plenty of space there. I'm impressed with the ability to handle cash folded over only once. Now, it's not a super clean presentation as you saw, and Dango's videos would show the cash folded over in thirds, but that's really not reality. It's either going to be folded over once or twice. Nobody's going to fold cash in thirds. It's too much work. The company recommends in their videos you can get 13 cards in there, which really fits that. It's made from 6061 aerospace grade aluminum, CNC'ed to this design, and it weighs just over 2 ounces. It uses these military spec stainless steel bolts married to this genuine top leather grain. Leather here, nice. It's priced at $69, made in the USA, and is on the lower end of Dango's product pricing, which is great, and really puts it in line with the expectations around this particular build, and this is a good price. It has features like a bottle opener on it, a glass breaker. It's also compatible with their various multi-tools that are available, and they're very easy to use. Now the wallet measures 6 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches, so it's a little on the bigger side, but it does have a great look and feel to it, and the design sense from the founders is very creative. This industrial design has sophisticated edges on the aluminum, and you can see here on the top just how nice and smooth that is, and really the attention to detail in the original design they put into this and in all their products is really impressive, and really provides great interest from the construction. Now let's get to the final score. For quality, a 4. For price, a 3. Features, a 4. Usability, a 3. And perception, a 4. That gives us a final score of 3.6 out of 5, or 36 out of 50. We appreciate you joining us today. Please look at these other videos if they look interesting to you. And again, let us know if there are other wallets you'd like us to review. Go to walletopia.info/ask, leave us a voicemail, or send us an email, and we'll get back with you. Thanks, bye.